Hi there everyone. Today this lesson is based on doing a proper circle check on your car and also some under the hood checks. So firstly, I will start with checking the tire pressure in all 4 tires. Now, being a responsible driver or a safe driver doesn't mean that you just jump in your car every day, start it, and away you go. You have to make sure that you're driving a safe vehicle. Now, looking at tires, that's not good enough because they could actually look properly inflated, but they're not. And if your tires are not inflated correctly, you could actually lose some control of your vehicle. So you want to make sure all the tires have the correct air pressure. Now, these modern cars, they usually have a tire pressure gauge or sensor, so that if you have uneven tire pressure, then there'll be a light that comes on in the dash. Now, let's get started with checking all 4 tires. And remember what we're doing. We're doing a car circle check and under the hood check. So here we go. I have to get my tire pressure gauge. So got one in here, and remember, my videos are never edited. Every one of my videos, you're getting the raw deal. Nothing is, spruced up to look good. No, I'm just giving it to you raw because I think that's the best way. Tell the truth or do the right thing. Okay, so here's my tire pressure gauge. I always have one in the car. You can get this in any auto parts store for checking your tires. Alright, so I'm gonna check the tire pressure in this tire, and the tires usually tells you what the PSI, like the pounds per square inch, it's on their tire. Or you can look right here. Right here, it will tell you the size of the tire that you should be using on the car, and also the pounds per square inch. So this can be 35 psi. That's the maximum. So I usually run my tires at 32, as in the case of most vehicles. 32 psi, that's fine. Hey, okay, so I'm going to check the pressure in this tire, and the best time to check your pressure, the tire pressure, is when your car is cold, like overnight. You don't want to be driving for 10 miles and decide to check the tire pressure, because the pressure will be increased, because once the tire gets warm, then it will increase. So you want to check it when it's cold. So you put this over here, and what we have here, you can see it, 32, just a hair over 32, so that's good. Okay, now if my video dies on me, don't hate me, just like and subscribe to what you've seen so far. Now I'm going to the next tire. So always, once you check the pressure, you get that in again for the next one. Now, where's the little knob? Okay, here it is. And you put this over it, like so. And what do we have? 32. Now I've never added air to these tires since I bought the car, and I bought the car almost a year ago, but I only have 10,000 kilometers on it. So of course I did not drive the car in the winter, so it was parked. So everything is just like when I picked it up. Okay, let's go to the third wheel. And another little tip, you should always have an air, what was it there, a machine that you, if you find that you have low tire pressure, you can always hook up the inflator, a tire inflator, to your battery in the hood, under the hood, and